I do not like Louis Vuitton bags. Girls love their Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton, Louis Vuitton, Louis Vuitton. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Annick. In this channel, I talk fashion and all the beautiful things that I like. Today we're gonna switch gear a little bit because I'm gonna talk about things I do not like. And what do I not like? I know Louis Vuitton is so popular and I am about to raise some eyebrows with this video, but I think it's very important that I share my view on some of these bags. You know I love luxury bags. What I love the most is it's the craftsmanship. But I have to be honest, not all luxury products have a great craftsmanship, especially when it comes to Louis Vuitton. So there's something different with Louis Vuitton bags that doesn't quite resonate with me. It just doesn't. The craftsmanship is just simply not there when it comes to these bags. I have to be honest with you, they may be very, very popular. But if you're talking about investing your money in getting a bag that's gonna last you a long time, these are not the bags that you should get. I mean seriously, I hopped on the website as I was doing research for these videos, and Louis Vuitton has over 600 bags ready to sell at this very moment. This is just an overkill for a fashion brand. Whatever happened to the exclusivity and all, like it's just a little bit too much in my opinion. Can get real about one of the poster child of Louis Vuitton. This is a bag that all the ladies, especially new money, want to have, and it's the never full tote bag. It is so popular. Their mama and their grandmas and everybody else has it. Okay, let's start with the good things first. I think the bag is very spacious, which is good. It's light, so you can carry it with many things and it's not gonna hurt your shoulders. I actually like the color. Brown is one of my favorite color. And I like that the bag is a classic Louis Vuitton brown. But the dupe and the counterfeit for this bag are elegance. For the price of that bag, you can find a really nice leather purse. Even cheaper, I'll give you an alternative. Poland bags. Poland bags are leather and they cost less than that Louis Vuitton tote bag. And to tell you the truth, this bag is not exactly a bag that you want when it comes to the resale value. Less it has increased in price at Louis Vuitton over the years. It's such a classic that Louis Vuitton will always carry it. For a woman who wants something different, something long-lasting, I don't think this is the bag for you. It's my number one worst bag at Louis Vuitton. The second one is the Speedy Bandoulière. This one, I would say I like it a little more than the Never Full. Believe it or not, it was created in the 1930s, so it's been on the market for many, many, many years. And it was created for the jet setter, right? Just look at the ship, you just open it, you throw everything in it, it's spacious enough, it's small enough just to carry it and be a little elegant. And this bag will always be on the market. It will never disappear. The things I like about the bag, it's the roll leather handle that you can see, the engraved padlock, the detachable straps. All that makes this bag really fun to have, and I see why so many people gravitate toward the bag. And I have to say that the brownies or the white canvas are my least favorites. You can actually get this in limited edition, and those are cuter than the classic brown and white. Don't get me wrong, this bag is chic, but it's not unique enough for the price. In terms of practicality, yes, it's nice, but again, counterfeit on the market, the resale value just not there. This is not the bag for me. But for a 16-year-old who wants her introduction into fashion, or even less than that, depending on your family and your parents, I think the Speedy bag is a really cute bag to have. Alright, the third bag on my list is the Graceful by Louis Vuitton. Actually, this is, in my opinion, a little better than the Never Full Totes and a little better than the Speedy Bandoulière. For a mom who is on the go, the bag can hold like diapers and everything. What I don't like about it, it's a little slouchy. So you open and you just dump your things there, and it doesn't really hold the shape. So if you're looking in getting a bag that doesn't hold the shape and stuff, yeah, there are other nice tote bags like Saint Laurent that you can use as an alternative to this, and I'll rather go with a Saint Laurent tote bag simply because it's leather. It will last a little bit longer. If you're a mom on the go and you don't want leather because you have to care for it a little bit much more than a canvas bag, then this Graceful bag would be good for you. But for me, when it comes to the price, I always look at the longevity of the bag, the practicality of the bag, and the resale value. And the Graceful bag is not it. My fourth least favorite bag at Louis Vuitton is the Coussin. Coussin just means pillow in French, and when you look at this bag, you know that it has that little bit of fluffiness in it. It's fluffy enough, you know, easy to carry if you're just holding it as a clutch. But I do not like the metallic handle of the bag. Any metal handle is not comfortable when you hold it. It's not comfortable on your hand, and if you like to have super soft hand like myself, you want something that's comfortable at the touch, and metal is just not it. I've seen so many different colors and variation of the bag. They're quite beautiful, I have to say, the different color variation, but for that price, I'll go with classic. And I have to give it to them because they did make this bag in the canvas. For this one, they made it with leather. So that's a plus for me there. But the con is the metallic handle. All the variety that you have with this bag is just a little bit too much and too out there. It can work if you detach the chain. I think that will make the bag a little elegant. Logo. If you carry it as a clutch and you're into logos, this may be the bag for you. For me, when it comes to huge logo like this, that's why it's my fourth least favorite. I like the conception of the bag in terms of just being fluffy enough to carry as a pouch. I do not like the logo on these bags. Just like the LV all over the place, it's not my vibe. It can be yours, and maybe you have this bag, maybe you enjoy it, that's fine. Do you actually like these purses? Why do you like them? So before I let you go, I'm gonna ask you that you give me a thumbs up, you subscribe to the channel. We want to get to 500 likes, so if you can please get me to that. And 500 subscribers, I really appreciate you, so thank you for doing that. And 5 things that you should look for if this is your first time purchasing a luxury handbags and you're like, okay, Annick listed this 4 bag on her worst favorite Louis Vuitton bag, but which bag should I get? I think that you have to consider the durability of the bag, the practicality of the bag. This includes your lifestyle, if you're a mom on the go. I think you also have to include the price, because some of these bags are overpriced in my opinion for what you get. Do a little bit of research as well. Compare with other luxury designers and see what they offer within the same price range as Louis Vuitton. Thing I would say, don't rely on logos. Yes, they are nice. If you're into logos, go for it. But if you just want something that's luxury, don't just think having the logo make it luxurious. Sometimes the logo even cheapens it because there's so many counterfeit Louis Vuitton on the market. It's ridiculous. So just think about those things, and until next time, thank you. Mwah.